everyone, welcome to day 7 of the auction cart. Didn't make a video yesterday because all we did was paint the rear axle and the brakes along with the engine, with the new engine mount that I picked up from Amazon, so didn't figure it was worth the video. So today we're going to focus on getting that rear axle put in. We still need to paint the bolts for it though, over there on the right. So we'll just set it in and get the brakes put in and hopefully get the new engine mount put on. Alright. I almost missed the first step. Alright, back in action. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh, we'll use this one. Ah, fuck, I need that. Don't I? No, I don't. Alright, well, we're setting up the new camera. Hopefully hopefully you like it. Ah, fuck. Fuck. Here we go. Alright. I'll definitely gonna have some touch up to do on that. Scratch the fucking piss out of that shit. Damn, I fucked that up. Alright, well, we didn't get as much done as I thought I would, or I thought I would. So I'll get the rest of these bolts painted up, and we'll see you in the next video when we put it all together.